Hey everyone, welcome! If you love crypto airdrops and mining apps, this ETHEM Network guide is made for you. ETHEM is in early access mode, meaning early users get the biggest rewards. Here's your full setup guide. Here's your step-by-step for getting started and maximizing earnings on ETHEM. Step 1. Register with your email using the official link in the description. Complete daily tasks, check-ins, short challenges, and watch rewarded videos to increase your earnings rate. Use the invite or referral menu to share your code. You and your referrals both gain bonuses. ETHEM Network could be one of those early mobile projects with serious upside, but it's not guaranteed. If you're risk tolerant, this might be worth your time. If you want future updates on ETHEM's roadmap, token launch, or on-chain progress, hit subscribe, give this video a like, and drop your invite contract in the comments. I'll dive in and check it for you.